Right, so Putin seems to be getting a bit fighty at the minute, and we're running low on tank, so we're going to fix this one, just in case someone from Ukraine happens to want to buy a battle tank. So this is the concrete tank. The engine bay was filled to here with concrete. Jack has chiselled all that out for us. Thank you, Jack. So we don't have to. And we've made the decision now. We're not going to go hydrostatic with this one. Joe's managed to find at least 2 gearboxes, 3 spare engines, so that should be enough to get at least 20 hours of service out of it. So the plan is to get the engine in. First job is going to be to put the gearbox mounts in, which is the next job. But for now, I've been busy sitting on my arse driving a truck all week, so we'll flash back to all the work that Joe supervised Jack doing, and we'll show you that. And then next week, when we actually start making a proper go at fitting the gearbox and engine, we'll start filming again. So yeah, hopefully it'll make a decent episode. We don't quite know yet, but this is the next big project, like the Centurion. We're going to get all those resources now are going into getting this up and running, so that we can either sell it, or if we get invaded, we've got something to run away in.
So the engine bay of the concrete tank.
It's a real minter, and it's nice.
It does not.
I reckon I saw a gold-crested fucking swallow in here a minute ago.
A gold-crested swallow?
Oh, newt, sorry. Newt.
Oh, newt.
Yeah.
Was that, are you sure it weren't a silver-crested
no.
newt? It was a gold-crested newt. Yes, it's gonna...
Luckily I've got fucking holes in my boots, so this is gonna be real mint.
Well, 1 minute. Why do you need to be in there?
So we've got to lift these out.
You can do that from the top. You idiot. So, we're in the engine bay of the concrete tank, as we call it, Chieftain.
Yeah.
And that's because this engine bay was completely filled. If
With,
Jack, if you just kindly mind out of the way.
Lovely concrete.
Absolutely filled to the top with concrete, which is dead handy.
Not what you put in the tank.
No, it's not even very good concrete. Whoever did that, they need sacking. So we've got a lot of cable that's in the back. That isn't even anything to do with any of the rear engine electrics, so no idea what that cable's from.
Look at this one. This one's venomous.
It's a slithery snag.
Slithery snag.
Right, so we've got a bit of a paddling pool to deal with that Jack's playing in now.
Yeah.
I think the what we're going to do now is
take the bungs out.
Bungs out and get the warren out and start washing all this crap out. Yeah. Right, let's get to work. What are you doing, Jack?
I'm snake hunting, mate. Look, I've got a little one here. Oh, scary ones these are. You don't want to get bitten by one of these bad boys. Here's another one, look. There we go. I don't know what's happened, but they're all dead.
Lots of dead snakes.
Just like my trousers.
Why, is that dead as well?
Yeah. Here we go then. So it's gonna be real mint. This is. We're just gonna let the pond out the fucking out the Chieftain.
This is some good
the concrete tank. Some good soup.
Oh, this is some very good soup.
This is money. Look how nice it looks already. Somebody, I think, is going to get a little bit damp in a moment. I'm hoping so.
Oh, mate.
Look how good it looks. Doesn't it look nice already, people?
Oh, wow. Oh, it's going in my drink.
Oh, not the fucking Pepsi. Well, to be fair, it won't make any difference to Pepsi. Pepsi tastes like rainwater.
Oh, this is so
Look
good.
at you go. Look at you go. What a bloke. Top mechanic, this chap. Top mechanic. This is why he gets a good job.
These impact guns love water.
Yeah. We'd get Allcroft down here, but he wouldn't fit under the tank. So.
I'll tell you what, it doesn't taste very nice.
No?
No.
Oh, mate, 1 or 2 more, and I think we'll be getting rather damp.
I'm getting already fucking tight.
Oh, stop being a girl about it. Crack on with it.
Right, we're going for the last one. Oh
yeah.
my god.
Get a bit damp now.
Here
Get a bit damp.
Here we go.
Good. That's it. Get the gun, you tit. Oh, she's a bit wet. Oh, loveliness. Look at all that loveliness in there.
Not one bit.
No. That'll be 2 guns down now.
Yeah, we've
got wet today.
Yeah.
For
water damage.
That's real good. Yeah.
So, I'm in a bag of rice tonight and then deny all knowledge is at the top there. Don't know what happened.
Yeah. No idea.
A bit more.
Yeah, just pull it out.
It still works.
Of course it still works. It's a beast. Look at that.
Okay. Oh, lost the socket.
What a minter.
Right, well, that is stuck, that thread. But
Wetter than an otter's pocket. Look at that. Whoa.
yeah, nice.
Beautiful.
There is 2 other bungs somewhere down.
I think we'll leave it at
I
that.
feel like I pissed myself.
Well, I think you've done that before you over slacking the bolts off.
Come here. Mint.
Oh, she's a mint. I think it's a 19th century thing. Some swag in there. Oh, is that not? No, it's not.
Can you see what you're doing?
Not really.
So far that's all the concrete we got out. And that's all the wires. Only a whole wheelbarrow full. Woohoo!
Real mint, that is.
We doing them?
Right then. So what we're doing today is we're here in the concrete tank, and it's wetter than an otter's pocket. And right,
What are you doing now?
I'm just smacking the fucking living lights out of it.
Smacking the absolute devil out of it.
Oh yes. But Jesus. As you can see, I'm a dab hand with this hammer. Oh. That moved. As you can see, it's been a slight hindrance, but we finally got it out. And goodbye. Oh no! Oh, it's had a nasty fall. Oh, that's lovely, isn't it? Isn't that nice?